Welcome back everyone, and thank you for the support on yesterday's video. I checked the analytics and we did over 1,000 views, so continue supporting the channel by liking, commenting, subscribing and sharing. We're really only going to grow if you can do those things for me. Thank you for the continued support. Now what I am expecting for Kaspa going forward, and I'm going to mark out that low for you guys again, it's all about 14,444. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think I said that right. Or one quadruple four. Okay, so as long as we're maintaining that with the body candle closes, I know and appreciate that maybe if you go to the lower time frames, you would see some closes underneath. But if I'm on the daily time frame, then we're talking about daily candle closes underneath 1,444. Yeah, we'll call it that. So as we are still above this, as well as the 55 stepping in and price closing above these two key levels, then we are actually looking to continue to range between these 2 points before one of these give in. Now, because we're in a bull market, because we made a higher high, I think it is, yeah, a new all-time high for Kaspa, then we are looking for bullish continuation to 25 cent. And this was just acting as a resistance. You see this guide that I have over here? Well, it's just a guide. I am anticipating 40 plus cents, and to be honest guys, a lot higher than that. This is just the next wave's target out of this correction that we had since November. If you remember, within this range through the whole month of January, I was calling that the bottom. Also preparing for you guys that if we ever did lose it, you know, we just fill in this wick. So I'm actually just going to repeat the same thing over here. This is our bottoming out process. We need to consolidate here. And we have created a wick that could get filled, but will only get filled if we close the bodies underneath these two key levels of support. And then at that point, even if it did push down towards the wick becomes the support. Just exactly as I was saying all the way back down over here. There's this key level of 9.5 cent that's maintaining bullish structure with higher lows. And even if we did come down, you're just falling to a previous support, and no body candle closes beneath this holds the uptrend, as the only true moving average that actually matters is the 200 EMA, and we can see it's crossed over that bottom. It's now in line with this low that we called. And so it's just suggesting that even if we come down as low as that price point, it's actually still maintaining bullish structure. And so this correction, although it doesn't need to go down to that, is just a bullish correction that you should view as an opportunity to get in to DCA more, so you can accumulate in time for 25 and then of course 40 plus cent. Remember, we do believe that Kaspa will continue into the dollars. But for now, as this is our largest pullback on the chart in most recent months, that is the highest target for now. When we do get further dips, just like this one more recently, you'll see we'll get higher price targets, but we need more of a large correction than just something as small as this. So the higher we go, when a correction does come, we're going to get targets above this, but we of course can use psychological levels such as 50, 75, and then $1. So guys, that is it from me today. Thank you so much for the continued support on the channel. Make sure you're following me on all other social media platforms. Twitter is mainly the other one that I use. So yeah, there are other altcoins over on there. I've tried to share some amazing projects that maybe you haven't heard of. So go check out the Twitter, go check out the other YouTubes on the the other videos on the YouTube. But there are a lot more cryptos that I keep to the Discord. I also bring live streams in there twice a week. Last one was an hour and a half. And it's all recorded for the people that missed. Over 20 people tuned in, and on this specific day, on Tuesday, when we saw the scary dumps, I called all the bottoms, especially the Bitcoin one. And since then, we're looking to break out. I've made a Bitcoin update today. Go and check it out. We're preparing for 75 and then 85k once our 67k sell gives in. And once that 67k sell gives in, once we push through 67k, then you know Kaspa is just going to explode and start heading towards 25 cent. And then 40 cent. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, please make sure you're spreading the word, tagging me on posts or Kaspa posts on Twitter, giving me feedback over on Twitter so we can spread the word and yeah, grow the community and hit 10k in the next month or so. That would be incredible. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. All the links down below to the Twitter, to the Discord, and I'll see you over there. Cheers.